And still $1,000 cameras.
I'm gonna buy a couple of 50-foot hangers, maybe our Coax, and I'll get them to you all back for you.
Okay. Look at that tiny little, what is that?
How are they going?
Is that an HD?
Into a metaphor that kind of makes sense.
Sorry.
AM, FM radio.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. Yeah.
For the battery box.
He drives one of those concrete boxes.
I wouldn't have expected him to. I wouldn't have expected him to have been working radiology. Maker Nova.
Keep doing the Lord's work.
Thank you.
Hey, there's good boxes.
Yep.
Still selling crap out of battery boxes.